What's up, you guys? Steve here with an unemployment update and a tax update regarding that tax-free $10,200 of unemployment benefits that you collected in 2020. Now, as you guys know, the IRS said wait for further instruction, and today we have received that instruction. Now, as you guys know, last week, President Joe Biden signed into law the American Rescue Plan, that stimulus package that included the first $10,200 of your unemployment benefits in 2020 being tax-free. However, when this passed, a lot of people had already filed their taxes and weren't sure, should I do an amendment? How should I proceed? And a lot of people that had not yet filed said, how do I make sure that the IRS knows that I'm not supposed to get taxed on this money? Well, the IRS responded and said, please wait for instruction. And as I mentioned today, they let us know that they're going to be automatically processing those refunds for you. So this is great news for a lot of people. It means a lot less work and paperwork. So you guys, this just came out today. I'm going to be diving into an article, getting you caught up on the details, letting you know what they're saying. And we're going to dive right in, get you caught up on unemployment and taxes. Now, before we proceed though, just wanted to let you guys know if you want more information specifically about some of the things that you should take into consideration while filing your taxes, because there's been a lot of tax changes, be sure to check out this video right here where I cover a list of things that you should take into consideration, especially for 2021, because a lot of stuff happened in 2020. There was a lot of laws that changed, so be sure to check out that video. And also, if you want to get information specifically on unemployment and stimulus checks, things of that nature, be sure to check out this video right here. But you guys, in this one, I'm going to be discussing this $10,200 provision. And also, pertaining to unemployment, we're going to be seeing the new extension rolling out here very soon. We're waiting for states to now implement the new extension of unemployment that's going to take you out till September 6th and provide a $300 per week boost. Now, states right now, as I said, we're waiting for them to implement that, but the Department of Labor has already provided instructions and states are already in the process. So I'll keep you up to date on that as well. But let's go ahead and dive into this new update regarding taxes for unemployment and this tax-free benefit that's going to be automatically applied to you. So we're going to dive right in. But before we do, if you could do me a quick favor, it'll just take a second. If you like and appreciate these video updates, keeping you up to date on taxes, unemployment, stimulus, Congress, the economy, anything having to do with investing or money, why don't you go ahead and take a second to smash the like button? I would appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Like button, comments, and sharing these videos out on social media platforms to anybody that you think might be interested. It helps out the channel. Thank you so much. And also, if this is your first time here and you're not already a part of the viewing community, what I like to call the Ram Fam, and you'd like to join to stay up to date on everything that I mentioned, take a second to smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that way as soon as I upload, you can get notified right away. And if you don't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at SteveRam3. And also, you guys remember that here on YouTube, whenever I respond to comments, you're always going to see a gray stripe on the name. Now, if you don't see that, even if it looks like me, it's not me, because unfortunately right now there's a lot of scammers here on YouTube screenshotting my picture, creating channels called Steve Ram, and then leaving phone numbers in the comments and then asking people to provide them with their bank account information. I'm not here to do that, you guys. I'm here to get you caught up on the latest to make sure that you get your money. I'm not here to take your money. So, and if you guys would like to get exclusive access to me, consider joining the Patreon group to get behind the scenes exclusive access to me and these articles before they hit YouTube. But with that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into this latest update to get you caught up on unemployment and taxes. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and dive into the CNBC News report, and link in the description below if you'd like to follow along with me. This just came out today, and it says $10,200 unemployment tax break. IRS plans to automatically process refunds. And it says the IRS plans to automatically process refunds for taxpayers who had unemployment income in 2020 and filed their tax returns before legislation passed that made those benefits tax-free. Now, the American Rescue Plan, which was signed into law by President Joe Biden on March 11th, made the first $10,200 of unemployment income tax-free for people with an adjusted gross income of less than $150,000 in the year 2020. Now, the tax break is $20,400 for two workers and a married couple filing taxes jointly. So what they're saying is, as long as you had $150,000 or less, you're going to be able to partake of this benefit. This is going to make the first $10,200 of the unemployment that you collected last year totally free. And what they're saying is this could equate to pretty much a savings of over $1,000. So if you already filed your taxes, you probably overspent by $1,000 on the unemployment benefits that should still be in your pocket. So they want to make sure that you're able to take advantage of this because this is a new law that passed just a little while ago. Now, but by the time that the law passed, it's going to let us know right now, in the middle of tax season, some people who received unemployment income in 2020 had already filed and paid on those benefits. So you probably overpaid. Now, the IRS is working on a fix that'll mean that most people in that situation will not have to take any extra steps, such as sending in an amended tax return to recoup the taxes that they paid but didn't owe due to this new rule. Now, do not file an amended tax return at this time, IRS Commissioner Charles Rettig said during a Thursday hearing with the House Ways and Means Committee. Now, he said, "We believe that we will be able to handle this on our own," he said. "We believe that we will be able to automatically issue refunds associated with the $10,200. So they're saying, don't worry. They got it handled. They're going to be able to automatically refund this for you guys. So that's really great news. Means a lot less steps for people that have to get this taken care of. Now, it says Rettig said that the IRS would release more details in the coming days. Now, also, let's take a look at this in the article here. It says new tax filing instructions. It says people who had unemployment income in 2020 and have not yet filed their tax return may need to wait to ensure that they submit all information to the IRS correctly. It says the agency on Friday released new instructions, including a worksheet for paper filers, and said it would work with online tax programs to update their current software. So in other words, if you're going to be filing by paper, they're providing new instructions and they're going to be updating software programs to ensure that that $10,200 is not taxed. Taxpayers have additional time to sort out and file their taxes this year. The IRS recently pushed the tax filing deadline for individual taxpayers to May 17th from April 15th. So they've given us about an extra month, and they're saying that this is as a result of this new thing that they're taking care of for unemployment. So everybody's going to get a little bit extra time to take care of taxes. So you guys, that is the latest that just came out from the IRS today. And once again, as more information rolls out, I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date. They said they're going to be providing some updated software and forms for people filing with paper. And also, as I mentioned, unemployment extensions are going to be released here very soon per state, and I will let you guys know about that as well. And also, if you're wondering about stimulus checks, I know a lot of people are still waiting for that third round of stimulus checks, the $1,400. The first wave just came out. You might be waiting for the next wave. If you are, here is the latest that we've heard regarding the stimulus checks and when you can expect to see them. So go ahead and check out that video if you want to get up to date on that. And also it covers the IRS portal. I let you guys know how to check it and also how to file your tax returns for free on the page if you made less than $72,000 last year. So you guys, like I said, I'll be sure to keep you up to date here on the channel as more information rolls out. If you made it this far and you haven't already, and you like and appreciate these updates, don't forget to smash the like button, helps out the channel. Also, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to join the RAM fam to stay up to date on everything. Turn on the notification bell so that way as soon as I upload you can get notified. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. Join the Patreon group to stay up to date and get exclusive behind the scenes access to me and all of these articles. And you guys have a blessed Friday. Hope you have a blessed weekend. Take care. God bless. I'll see you in the next video. This is Steve.